What's up guys, welcome to Indian Coin View, your favorite channel in which we discuss a lot about coins and currencies around the world. So in today's video, I would like to talk about the keeping of coins or saving coins or keeping it in album, whatever you call it, which is an important topic that a lot of collectors are missing when they are collecting the coins. So one of the most important questions that collectors has to address in their daily life of collection is that how to keep their coins safe, how to protect their coins, how to keep it away from damage and everything. So a lot of people keep their coins. Sometimes people don't think about saving it for a long time, keeping it in a bag or a kind of bottle or something like that, plastic bottles and everything, exposing it to air, mist and everything, which will damage the coin. So in order to avoid that, because that will at the end of the day reduce the value of the coins, so in order to avoid that kind of situation, what I am trying to show today is the way that I am keeping my coins. So this is how I keep my coin collection. You can see everything is properly labeled and everything. So I'll introduce you to what these things are technically called and where you can find it. I won't say that this is the best and everything, but I will share the details of where I do purchase all these things and everything. So these things are available in general market in India, not so costly. The entire setup that I have made costed me around 500 rupees per album. So one particular album cost me around 500 rupees. So what are these things that I will share with you? So if you are seeing the channel for the first time, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon nearby so that you will not be missing any such important update that is given through the channel. So let's move into the video. So the first thing that I have to show you guys is this particular thing, the clip that you are seeing here. I have another one. So this thing you see here, you call it as ring binders or clip binders. So these are coming in a lot of brands are there available in the market, but there are some specific brands that is available for coin collection purpose only, but I have just taken a general one clip binder or a ring binder that's available for keeping the papers. An important thing that you have to understand while keeping the coins and banknotes is that it's okay to keep the banknotes which is having 3 clip binders. So some ones are there in the market which is having 3 of these binders. It's okay even if 4 clip binders are not that easily available in markets. 2 clips are generally available. Don't use that. That will at the end of the day damage your collection, because in the way that you are keeping and everything, it is going to damage. So use 3 clip or the 4 clip ones, which are the best to keep your things safe. Now this particular file is called 4D ring binder or clip binder. What there are multiple names. It's available online in websites like Flipkart, Amazon, everything in India that's available, or in the local this stationery store also this is available. You just go and ask them, is the 4 clip binders are there. Generally the value of this particular file is between 100 to 200 rupees. The one that I am buying is from Amazon, which costed me around 160 to 180 range. So I'll be giving the links to the products that I am using in the description, so check the description if you want to buy also. So that's the first thing that you have to understand. The next thing that we are seeing here is this particular thing. So this is called a sheet. Coin sheet is this particular kind of album leaf. This is called sheet. So each sheet I'll just open and show. So this particular sheet, this have a capacity of 20 coins. In each sheet you can keep around 20 coins, and that's pretty much sum. So usually this come as a set of 10, and it varies between 160 to 300 range and above, depending upon the quality. The one that I am using is in a range of 161, which means that for 10 sheets I have to spend 160 rupees. That's around 16 rupees per sheet, which is I think a good offer. in the same way we have like banknote sheets also. It's like the same thing only. So this comes in like multiple ways, like depending upon the size. Like now this is like 3 column one, there are like 2 column one, single column one, depending upon like the size of the banknotes. There are like multiple of them to like keep them. So these are the things that I keep. Like, so for example, like I keep the coin like this. So I keep it, so you can see that each sheet is like holding around 20 coins. Now the next thing that you have to like importantly look up into these things, these white things that you are seeing here. These are called flips or coin holders, cardboard coin holders. Now this comes in like a range of like 10 sizes, 0 to 9. So depending upon the coin size, you have to like take that particular thing and like you fold it like this. So this is that particular thing. Here you keep the coin, fold it like this and staple it and keep it in the particular box of each sheet. So that's how I keep the coins. Now one more thing I have to share here is the way that I keep my banknotes also. So you see, the same way as I said before, like I am keep using a 3D binder for like keeping my banknotes. Now these kind of banknotes, you have to, the sheets, you have to be very sure that these sheets are not like containing any kind of acidic material. So you have to like use, there are Taiwan sheets which are available in India, that's considered to be the best in the market in relation to the quality. But these are also like fine versions. The link to which I am using is given in the description, so you can check it out. Once you are like using such a kind of like banknote sheet which is not of that great quality, I advise you to use something like, you see a plastic kind of thing here, right? So these are called sleeves, banknote sleeves. So this also comes in like various size and everything. These are like just plastic covers. So this also comes in like various size, like 4 or 5 I know about them. I'm giving the link to the website which I purchased in the description. So I keep the banknotes like this also. Now an important thing why I don't use albums, like a lot of you might be using albums, but I don't use album. I can like store the entire set of coins, like album that comes like 60 pieces, 90 pieces, or like 108, 200 pieces. A set of coin that I am keeping a collection. For example, this is my foreign countries collection. Like I have like, now this is my United Nations collection. So there is around like 193. After that I have kept my United States quarter series also here. So you can like add any amount of coins to this particular thing, and if you're going for like exhibitions and everything, if you're keeping them and everything, you can actually like without any like hustle or fussle, you can just open this up and keep that particular thing for like exhibition and everything. So it will be easy for you to like deal with this kind of thing. So that's what I wanted to talk to you guys today. I hope that you find this kind of talks interesting. I hope that you will be like using the information that I shared to like protect your coins and like keep your coins in a safe condition, so that it will not be like exposed to any kind of environmental like damage or anything, like air or like sun or anything. So if you find that this kind of talks are very useful to you and very helpful for you for your collection, do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon nearby to that, so that you will be getting all the updates by the channel as a notification and you won't be missing anything. So till next time, for a talk about a different kind of thing related to coins or currencies around the world. Bye bye.